Hi everyone. Here we have a Broan model BHFLED80 heater fan light. What I'm going to show you today is if this unit has been working and all of a sudden the heater fails, what to look for, how to check it, and this video we'll go through looking where the thermal link is on the coil, and I can just give you a couple helpful hints. First thing you would do is make sure that the power is turned off to the unit. That's the number one. Second, what you would do is you would remove this grill cover. You can take a screwdriver and just pry up on the lens. Lens would come right off. Secondly, there's a little bolt right in the center here. These are all your LEDs. You would remove this bolt. And again, this unit is sitting on a table. It's not mounted up in the ceiling. I'm just doing this for video purposes. And you would remove this bolt. It's a long one. That's the bolt. It threads into a mounting stud. What you can do is you can unplug the light. It's the white receptacle, and you can set that to the side. Now this heater, this is the heater, this is the exhaust fan. The heater has a red orangish colored plug, and it's plugged in. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unplug that for now. How you remove this heater is there's two screws. There's one here and there's one here. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a screwdriver. There's holes here. And what you're going to do is you're going to loosen these screws up. You don't have to take them all the way out. And you're going to do this on both sides. I think we're pretty good here. And what you can do is you can take a screwdriver here, and there's a little tab inside here. I don't know if you can see that or not. And I'm just going to place this screwdriver here. Going to just pry a little bit. This whole heater assembly will come out then. Sometimes you just give it a little shake. It's key slotted here. And I might have it just a little bit, the screw's just a little bit too far out. So I'll just put them back just a little bit. And there's one side. And again, you don't have to unscrew them far. Just loosen it up slightly. And there you have it. It comes right out. These are the screws, so you don't even have to loosen them up that far. And I'm going to just go ahead and just move this housing on the side here. So now you have your heater assembly. Now you could replace the whole heating assembly. You could put an extension cord on this and plug it into an outlet. Make sure you don't touch the unit just to see if this unit works. If it still doesn't, more than likely, the number one failure is we fail to clean these units out. This heater should be cleaned out. What can happen is dust and lint can build up inside this unit and prevents this blower wheel from cooling that coil off. And there's a little thermal overload inside that unit, and it could blow out. So I'm going to show you where that thermal overload is located. And there's going to be 4 screws we're going to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go ahead and get that taken care of. That is 2. 3 and 4, and this cover will come right off. So the thermal overload is located right here. And how you can check to see if that thermal load is bad, basically you can check the continuity. I have a meter here. So my meter, when I put my leads together, you can hear that. It makes a little beep. So I'm going to go ahead and check continuity across that. So obviously I have a new unit, so mine is good. If it wouldn't be beeping, or if you have a meter that takes a reading, if it doesn't have a reading, that thermal load is open and that can be replaced. And to replace that, there's just 2 nuts that you would remove. This can be ordered from our customer service department or online, and then you can clean it all out and put it back together again. But I hope this tip helps. If you have any problems, call our technical support. Thank you.